down, building my empire in this buzzing town, casting my vision on the silver screen, my funded life a vivid sheen, my funded futures light the way.
Hey, everybody. Welcome. Right, of course, right before we get in, the S&P's rally 4, NASDAQ just rallied about 30. Hey, how are you, everybody? I'm Stephen Kalayjian, day trader. How are you? Yep, that short finally came down 1.5 hours later. Took the 30-minute time frame. May Muzdif, how are you? Bali, Ravlin, Jennifer, let's go. Jeff W, good evening, everybody. Phil the Coolest. Vanessa, Koa, how are you? Vertex, Vex Trader, sorry. Jordan Finn, Zephsai, Trader 007, Linda NQ, Dirtbag, Bagdiashian, Koa, Adam, Spyro. All right, here we go, baby. Let's do it. All right. How is everybody today? All right, Vanessa, Normatic, Yacht. Oh, Yacht. Hey, Yacht's here. They're good. Adam. All right, let's just see. I tend to think it's going to be kind of slow today, though. But I guess we'll just see overall. Hope everybody had a great day here. I was pretty. I took a short at the end of the day, and I have to tell you, it took It took an hour and a half for that 30-minute time frame to roll over. It took it took a while on that 30-minute time frame. Yes, sir. Let me put the NASDAQ back up here and see what the hell's going on here. Nice little bear flag short. Yes, sir. 58 just dropped 18. All right. Woo-wee. See what's happening here. All right, that was a nice drop of 20 there. All right, let's just see. I'm kind of bearish here. Yet the ADX is rising though here. 60s. Let's just see if we get a pullback on these 15s here. Hey, Moises, how are you? Crypto Charlie. What's going on, Crypto Charlie? And they're off at Belmont. All right, there we go. If they get down here, NASDAQ gets down to the even to 30, I would look to buy it. Let's see if we can get a push down here. How is everybody? DX, DV, James Dean, D3, how are you? Nomadic. The Luke, Albano, how are you? Oh, there they go. Jesus. All right. Here we go. Let's see if we get this little push down here. All right, here we go. Look to see if we could take a little bit of a long here. Gold cabooshed here. Gold down 10. If this gold gets below the 20 and a half, 30 and a half. I'm sorry, 20 and a half to 28 and a half. Those 15s are going to start rolling over here. Let's see if this NASDAQ can get one more push up here. This was the short that I was looking at, 58 right here. Happened right as soon as we came on. Up, 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 up. Come on. Come on. Up. 15s are getting oversold. The 60s are getting oversold. Let's see if we get up. Oh boy. This is not what I expected. Oh, no, no, pencil down here. Micron, we should get a push up here. All right, 90 to 30 here. Let's see if we get the push up. Look to kick out anywhere between the 15 and the 30 range. 15s are getting oversold here. Get a push up here. Go 10 to 25, 10 to 30 if we get. I want to next push up. Look at these MACDs. These MACDs are negative, but the 60 and the 15-minute time frame look like they want to turn up here. Here's the 60-minute time frame. 15 starting to get oversold here. So many winners. How is everybody? We're still in a positive trend here on all three time frames. Right. What's the S&P's doing here? There goes the gold right back up. Let's see if this NASDAQ can rally here. This NASDAQ. You didn't win what? We didn't even do the raffle yet. Here we go. Let's see if we get this push up here. 10 to 25, 10 to 30 to exit longs. Here we go. The NASDAQ right back up. Come on, get up there. Here we go. Come on. You want to break even if you bought them here, if you sell 15 to 20s. I know I called the range 90 to 30. Of course, there'll be giveaways. Oh, yeah. All right. Let's see. Look at the gold rally. Look at that gold. That gold rallied nicely there. Yes, sir. Beautiful long on the gold. Push down, positive MACDs on the 5. This NASDAQ. This was the short. You can see in the when it was trading right here earlier, 64, how the 15s were getting overbought into the, when these MACDs are like this, you got to look to short into the negative MACDs. Okay, France 1. Oh, they're getting cabooshed here. All right, again on the NASDAQ, you can look to go long 55 to 85 here. Let's see, again, pushed up. That's why that push up right here to 16, I thought was a good out. All right. You want this S&Ps, if they get down to the, so I go S&Ps, let's go 70, here goes 81 and a half, go 75 and a half, 81 and a half. NASDAQ pushing down here. This was the short I was thinking right here, but it happened so fast right on the opening. Boom. Okay, right on the opening. Let's put the 1 minute up. Beautiful bear flag. Look to scale out of any longs, 85 up to even. There's the bear flag right here. Look at that, 16. Beautiful on the one. There you go. There you go. Right back up. There you go. D Hall, what's going on? There you go. D Hall. Yes, sir. Did you get the long? You get the long?
Yeah.
Okay, good. There goes the NASDAQ right back up. All right. NASDAQ right here. There you go. So it's still scaling out longs here. Raish. The giveaways, when Aaron posts them, you have to be able to have a My Fund of Futures account in order to win. If you get picked, I know I missed the opening short too. It was killer above 50. I would look to see for shorts. But you got to be careful, because if we do get any type of drop here, these 60-minute time frame. Look at these 60-minute time frames. You don't want to get run over by these 60s. Look at this, right? You see this here, the 60s? Okay, Asim, I trade live capital, Asim. Okay? I don't know. I think these 60-minute time frames, yeah, are very bullish here. All right, we'll look to buy them again here, NASDAQ, anywhere from the 25 to 65 range. NASDAQ pushed up. They're getting cabooshed. 772, 830. Could. The 15s. I'm just looking for some entries here. What a short up there. 772. We'll see. Nvidia's the new stepchild. Yeah, Nvidia starts scaling out of these Nasdaqs above 70, 70 to 80 here if you're long. Let's see what. Okay, what a short up here, 58. Oh my God! Right when we came on, I hoped you had the everything was rolling over here. Very, very. Oh, I want to show you something this today. Okay, if you saw the 30 and the 60-minute time frames here today, you can see when you made the new low here, right here. You can see at 10:30 in the morning how the MACDs did not confirm the lows right here. There goes the Nasdaq right back up. You see this right here? The new lows, the MACDs did not confirm right here. That was beautiful. I think the last time I won SK Live in April. Well, I'm just picking numbers. Are you crazy? I'm just picking numbers. Nasdaq's in trouble here. This feels like it just doesn't want to lift up yet. Got to wait for these. Well, it just pushed up to 78. So if you caught that long, I said between 70. When these 60s turn up, oh my God, I think they could push them right back up. But we got to see. We go down first. Talk about risk management. Well, the first thing, obviously, is you can't trade without stops, right? That's the first thing. And if you're going to trade and scalp, I tell you honestly, you should really be trading off the micros. Okay, I would be flat here. Okay, I'd be flat. And I think what people need to focus on, truthfully, is if you're able to trade the market effectively, you know, if you're scalping, it's no more than 3 bars. Okay, and if you're if you're in that mode, you have to be able to. There goes the Nasdaq. I'd be flat. That just rallied about 20 on the Nasdaq. Okay, Pac-Man, you get that? Okay, Mikey, Jacques, Luke. Okay, here we go. And if these 60s turn up, look out. Okay, S&Ps look to sell above 83. Nasdaq just ran about 30, 40. It's going to be 40 in a minute. What's the low here? 58. 08 will be 40. Okay, Koa, you get that long, Koa? Linda NQ, good job. So explain them. Okay. Well, I mean, risk management, it's no different than if you're driving a car, right? The speed limit says 30 and then you don't do 80 in the 30, right? You obey the rules of the road, you obey the rules of trading. And risk management is where it's important for you, okay, to it's important for you to understand how when you're trading the markets, you have to have risk management. Okay. Now I have a mental stop in my head, a dollar stop. If I hit that number, I'm done. Right. Um, and for all of you today, when you're scalping shorts in the markets and you're just trying to scalp the short, now if that's something that you don't feel comfortable in doing, don't do it. You wait for the pullback that happened, right? Around 3 o'clock, 3:15, and then you take the pattern, right? I love to scalp. Okay. And again, when you're here for 6.5 hours in a day, I'm not just gonna well, actually 7.5 hours in a day. from 8:30 to 4. I'm not going to sit here and do nothing for an hour and a half for a pattern to set up. So the 60-minute time frames reversed to buy, and we were hoping, and I said between 1 and 3, the 30-minute time frames were going to reverse to sell. And what happened? It took 2 hours, 2 hours and 15 minutes for the 30-minute time frames to reverse, right? So it ended up, dropping all the way down to 900 or a little below 900, okay? By I think 899. So yesterday or 2 days ago, it dropped 300. So again, I just want to be clear with that, okay? Risk management is very important. Very important. Oh my God, what a short. What? I covered into that negative MACD on the 5. All right, if they get down to the I don't know if they get down. If they get down to the 20 to 60 range, I'd buy them. Again, these 15s and 60-minute time frames. If that was a good short here on the 5, right here on the that was a good short. You can see the when it pushed up here, right here into this negative MACD. That was a good short right there. All right. Let's see. Are you yawning, bro? Are you crazy? Still very quiet here. All right, we're gonna see what markets end are gonna do here. No yawning and trading, right? Oh, we saw France win today. So are they into the final 8 now, or a final 4? The final 4, France. Wow. Hand on the mouse. How do people trade this? What a fool's errand. Chris Flores, I don't understand what you're saying there, Chris. How do you trade it? Oh, how do you trade it? All right, these 60s are going to turn up. I was hoping to get a push down to 60, the lowest 62 here. All right, I cancel that. Chris, if you're new, it takes time. I know you maybe not understanding. You're here. What I think about sports betting, I don't do it, but Chris, if you're new, it takes time to learn. I'm doing this 44 years come August 1st, so it's a methodology I spent years building. Okay, and I just want everybody to learn it, and I teach it, and I have a very good community and a very high success rate. That's all I care about. So that's that. Hey, Bobby Trades, how are you? I'm still hoping we get this pushed down for these 60-minute time frames. See, the market's just hovering here. I knew it was going to be slow tonight. Exactly. Hey, folks. Hey, love for the game. Liquidity. If you want to know, you could text me, and I will call you after the. I will call you after 914-500-7484. SKHY. I think they sell off tonight and rally on SKHY. New Micron. Okay. Good. What happened? What happened? Happened. Eddie. All right. Do I have a favorite baseball team right now? Not really. Not really. I just love the game. All right, I think this Nasdaq's going to go down to. I would probably look to go long here, 15.05 to 55. Let's see if you get this pushed down here. Those negative MACDs. All right, here we go. Go. S&P's making new lows. There it is. Kabooshed. There it is. I gave you that shirt. When did I give that? When did I give you that shirt? Oh my God. Let's go, baby. Aaron's wearing a caboose shirt. There you go. Oh, I missed that short at 92. Oh, yeah. All right. What a shirt. 8:30. Good job. Did it hit 8:30, Christopher? I skill out any longs up here between 50 and 60 range, 65 if they push up. Another 1 minute bear flag there. I'm still betting on these 60-minute time frames. Nasdaq's dumping like hell. Yeah, that 903 was a good short above 900. All right, let's just see if we get a push up. Still thinking 05 to 55. Oh boy. Getting kabooshed. Here we go. Look to sell out any here between 45 and 55 on the NASDAQ. 45, 40, 40 to 60. You can start scaling out any longs. Let's see here. Juice bag, update 35 pieces on that dump. Done for the day. You think? This was a nice bear flag right here. I gotta stay focused on this. I still think these 30 and 15-minute time frames are gonna turn up. Yeah, you can say whatever you want to me. Gervax, what do you need? You want to text it to me? You want to call me? You want to type it here? I have no idea what that means. I think, well, I don't know about 6. Yeah, I mean, eventually they'll get there. I mean, probably. One of these days, those gaps will get filled. Are you crazy? That's what it means? Thank you, Gervax. I got to order them first, Josh. I got them right here. This is let me see if I. This is the Kaboom T-shirt. We need a Kaboomer now. Here's the Kaboom T-shirt, right? And then you have Matrix and the ladder in the back. Oh, it's right there. Okay. Put my Friend the Future's logo on it. I'm trying to get them ordered. I just don't know what kind of sizes to get. Then you got the Kaboosh T-shirt, one of my favorites. See that right there, Kaboosh with the My Friend the Future's logo on it, and the Matrix or the ladder behind it. Right? Uh, they're awesome. I gotta tell you, I'm really love them. I can't believe how quiet it is here. Come on, Nasdaq, give me one big push up, baby. Let's go. I'm get long. Sell these above 40 here, 40 up to 55, 60. You don't like the ADX on gold? Gold's, I thought gold was, I was about to say go long gold below 40, 26 and a half. So just in 2 days, the NASDAQ wrote, yesterday we were trading below 29,000. Okay. I think it turns up though first before it goes back down. A mental stop. So let's just say, um, let's say today, for example, I shorted AMD, right? At 440, 547.90. I offered more at 549.90. And let's just say the trade, let's say it goes to, let's say I short 15 to 20,000 shares, right? Now, my stop would be 50,000. My stop would be probably about $60,000, 70,000 on that trade, right? So if I'm short 15,000 shares of AMD, or let's say 10,000 AMD, and it goes 5 points against me, I probably can get away with selling a little bit more. But then my stop would be like a $70,000, and Nasdaq wants 30. I think these 30s are going to turn up big time, Christopher. So you could do a mental stop two ways. You can say, okay, if Nasdaq, if you're short or if you're long Nasdaq here, um, at 30 and you want to buy some more at 20, and you buy some more at 10, then your stop has got to be 90, right? 790. If I'm trading, and let's say I'm trading SanDisk or Micron, and you know my stop could be 20, 15, maybe $20,000, right? So you could do it two ways. You could do a dollar stop, or you can do a stop that you pinpoint. So let's say, for example, you're short, okay, and you short, um, you know, 880. You may want to lower your stop to 840, right? Okay. And if it drops to 810, then you lower your stop maybe to 830 or 825, something like that. But I think that gold's a buy. I look to buy this gold here, 17 and a half to 25 and a half range. I still think the market's going to turn up here on these 60 and 15-minute time frames. But we'll see. Okay. So today, for example, I had called a short, right? I called a short on the NASDAQ. I said, look to short, what did I say? 30 up to 70, right? It traded up, traded down to 41. And I said that okay, then it traded up to 85, a little bit above 90. Now the stop would have been technically 85, but I said I would stay with it because I'm telling you that in the next, I don't know, whatever, um, you know, I feel that the 30-minute time frames are going to roll over, right? Uh, and I just felt that if this Nasdaq gets down to the 775 to 805, I'd buy it again here. You got to go with these 15s and the 30s and the 60s getting oversold here. So, basically what you do is, I said today, but when the stop, you go flat or you leave some. No, if you honor the stop, then that's it. Case closed. Your next trade. 07, of course. You could raise this here. You could raise it to 78 to 08, 778 to 808 if they push down. You're gonna these 60s when they turn up. Just thinking that they're gonna push right back up. So to answer your question, but when you no, when you stop, you stop. That's it. You hit your stop, you're out. And there's sometimes I may get stopped out and go right back in, right? Okay. Look at this 0875. You could just go 09 here, 79 to 09. You don't want to. I still think these 30s, these 60s are going to turn up. Just hit 09. There's no charts. You can't see my charts. Oh, sorry. All right. Let's see if you got the 09s here. All right, there they go. I think they're going to go here. You got long? Okay, good. Oh, no. I never seen more people not want Argentina to win. Can somebody explain that to me? There goes the gold. I would exit the longs above 27.5 on the gold. Gold just rallied 4. It's a messy effect. What does that mean? They just don't want this guy to win? Why not? How many you take to recover one stop? It could take 2 trades. 1 to 2, depending. I think these 60-minute time frames, sooner or later, are going to rip up. Prince NQ, how are you? I mean, look, if you bought 09s and you sold them up here at 21, okay, you want to buy them again, you could probably go 75 to 05 here again. When it get down to 05. NASDAQ was a nice long there. Beautiful. I'm mad at myself on that push up before when I hit 09, 900.3. 903 into those negative MACDs on the 5 and 15. So, here. Yeah, I saw that. Great job, Gameful Play. Yes, sir. Well, if it gets down there. You want to just scalp the NASDAQ above 15, 15 to 25. Yeah, that's it. Oh, wow. Really? It was crazy like that? No, Norway looks pretty good, though. I mean, they're tough. I would, yeah. Who's left? Norway, England. I would say Norway, England. Okay, who else? We going long? Yeah, I think this is a long down here. No, I take 7 stops in a row times ago. I say, Jesus, what I done to you? No, no, no. Be nice. You think France is going to win the whole thing? You got Spain, you got France, you got England, Norway, Argentina. Who's the 6th? Morocco. They just lost. Belgium. I'm missing 2. There they go. There you go. Come on. Come on. Push up. Here we go. Argentina. You got England, Norway, Switzerland, France, Belgium, Argentina. What am I missing? Spain. That's I'm missing one more. England? England. Thank you. England.
All right, give me 2 numbers. We got 250.
All right. 250.
Mhm.
We're gonna go number 4.
System override.
System override. Congratulations. System override. Systems override. Is he here? Oh, number 4. He goes to NASDAQ.
Is he here or what? I don't see him.
That's a great long right there. Right to these 60s. Systems override. Systems override. Come in.
All right, next. Nobody.
Oh, he's
Oh,
here.
there he is.
He's here.
Oh, this guy, right at the last second. All right, give me another number.
101.
Balaji Trades. That guy's always here.
Balaji.
Trades.
Christopher Pac-Man. I hope you got that long, Christopher Pac-Man. What's his name? Balaji Trades?
There he is.
Congratulations. Okay, good job, Christopher. Wow, look at this gold. Gold 23 to 31. Wow. That was off the 30 and 60-minute time frames. Look at those 30 and 60s. Woo! Wow, look at that rally. Look at that rally on gold. Look at that rally on the NASDAQ. There you go. Carl, just text me 914-500-7484. Okay? Wow, that gold was great. That gold just ran $9. Beautiful. Even when you got that oversold condition, the 60 minutes were deeply oversold. Plus, you were making new lows, non-confirmation. I don't know if you're gonna get one more push down. These fives are turning up. Look at this gold. Oh my God, up 10. There you go, Shushin. Good job. All right. Got up to 30 on that. Here, Brian, look. Look, Brian, look here. Look at the gold right here on the 60, Brian. Look. See the new low? MACD non-confirmation, oversold. Look at the yellow dots. I knew gold was going to go up. See that right there? Brian, you see that? Yellow dots, I put the yellow dots in to tell me where the price is within the algorithm. So if you see like this here, then I know that they're going to start flipping. You know what I'm saying? Kind of thing. Okay. So it just gives me a more visual of where what the prices are in within the algo type thing. Good job, Christopher. There's a push down. Yep. Matter. You okay? Hey, you okay? Penny. Gold drop. I think it was off the 1 minute. Here, I was looking at the 1 minute when it got up to 30 right here. See that bear flag right there? But they were a buy again here. If you can get them between the 70 and 10 level. Exactly. There he goes. Gonna go right back up. Get down to 08. All right, that was it. Just ran about 14 just now. So quiet, boy, oh boy. Well, I think these 60s look like they really want to start turning up. Yeah, I can't believe that push down. Look at the gold making new highs here. Brian, did you see how the 60s and look at the yellow dots, Brian, right? The price action. Oh, damn it. Right back up. Oh wait, look at that. All right, I canceled the buy range. Just ran 20, 22. Anybody get that long down there again? Kaboosh, I told you bears. Well, it's not, the game's not over yet. More kabooshing? I don't know about that, but if the gold gets up to the 36, 35 and a half, 36 up to 42, I would look to short it. Wow. Yep. Gold just got kabooshed. Just, you got it? Did you get that long down there? You're not, gold does not, yes, but you have sell divergences on gold. Gold has a negative MACD on the 15 and on the 30-minute time frame, so the new high stopped. Look at this. Look at this go. Look at him go. $900s. Oof. I would be scaling out of some here above 30. Wow, look at this gold drop. Bid and ask tick line chart is like boy, oh boy. Anybody new here? Prince NQ, how are you? NQ Scalper, how are you? Mike MKE Trader, Captain Price, Muda, Mudhu, how are you? Roman S. Brave Day. Penofit. Everybody welcome Shivam. Shivam, how are you? Shivam. Okay. S&Ps aren't even moving. The Nasdaq's starting to move here a little bit. Wow, look at him go. All right. I want to take a scalp short only, 45 up to 75, and that would be a scalp short only. Nasdaq's moving, yeah, I see it. What is going on with you? You're gonna give me a heart attack. Airballs he's got. Kaboom! All right, it's just a scalp if you want to. Look at the Nasdaq rally, 08 up to 51. I just say you think. Wow, look at this Nasdaq go. Right, maybe get one more, just a scalp. This is just a scalp if you want it. S&Ps just woke up, ran about 4. Wow, we had it down there, right? 05, 08. Look at them go. Oh my God, 60 points, 50 points up. All right. See if these fives can roll over here. So, yeah. Like I said, I'd be very careful. You can scalp this if you want. If you don't, wait for pullbacks because these 60-minute time frames are going to be monstrous. Let's just see. If they get down to the 40 to 50 range, I'd look to discover some. If you're scalping it, it could get back. If these 60s turn up, which I think they, I do think you may get a pullback first on the 1 minute. Okay, and look, I'm just saying. But if you don't want to scalp it, I get it. How's Tesla look? I have no idea. That market's I don't look at post market. Yep. We'll see. I mean, look at this. If it hits 68, they'll be up 60. I just think the fives can give you one more push down into the negative MACDs. That's all. If you want to scalp short it. What?
Yeah, I'm sure.
Where? Be careful. Like I said, just be put more 65, if you're doing it. If you're short the gold, look to cover the gold short here between the 31 and a half, 35 and a half range. You have to be patient with that 60-minute time frame. Look to cover anywhere between the 40 and 60 range. Get a pullback. Boom. Here we go. 1 minute. That 60 minutes very powerful. S&Ps ran from 76 to 80. Let's see what they got down to here. 9. Look at the 60s. Oh my God. Look at these 60s. If you get one more push down on the 5-minute time frame. I mean, you're in a buy disconnect on the Nasdaq futures. You're in a positive trend on the S&Ps. This took time to play out. Boom! Boom! Kabooshed! I gotta do another one. There you go, baby. That's what I'm talking about, Christopher Pac-Man. Henny, what is the matter? I'm not taking you to the ER tonight. What's the matter? What happened? Eddie loves you. Look at the big W's. There you go. Vanessa, let's go. No, I'm not going to buy these. Wait till the fives get oversold again. Look at the gold short. Who got the gold short? Wow. Oh my God. Did anybody get that short in the gold? Andrew, great job, Andrew. Oh my God, what a drop. Look at this gold. Look at this gold. God almighty. Oh, 2060s. If the NASDAQ gets down to the 780 to 810, I'll probably look to buy. Anybody short that gold? Anybody see what happened in gold here? Anybody? Who's this? Zero cart. What a short.
Okay, give me two more.
Oh, hold on 1 second here. Two numbers. Number 157.
157 is Love MFTV.
Love MFTV.
Yep, Love MFTV.
Okay, there you go. Get in there. Handy, what are you doing? Love MFTV. Love MFTV, are you here?
Yep. Next.
Is he here? Oh, Love, there you go. Congratulations. Okay. Ugh, 22s. What did I get down to here? 19. All right, I cancel that buy range. Let's see. Number 211. 211.
It's me, Buddy F2V. It's me, Buddy F2V.
I don't see him.
Well, give it a second.
Congratulations, Love FB.
I don't see him. Give him 10 more seconds. Next.
Number 233. Oh, that goal was good.
Buy high, cry later.
Oh my God.
That's a t-shirt.
What is he saying? It's me, I'm here. No, 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 no. No. Doesn't work that way. What a short up there.
There he is.
He's here?
Yep. All right.
Was that 4 so far?
Yeah, that was 4.
Thank you. Oh, come on. What was the low there? 17 and a half again. If you get one more push here. Damn it. Just ran 30. Damn it. I hear you. No problem. We'll teach them. We'll teach them. Right back down again. Minute. Still think we're going to get this big push up sometime off these 60s. Penny, what's going on with you? What? What's going on? Huh? What's the matter? God, Henny. What happened? Hoping for one more push down. Damn, that might have been at 17 and a half. The pattern tree. Well, geez, I just ran 30 just now. Happened here. 9:15. Again, I'm just hoping. I left the 60-minute time frames up here because I think that's exactly. I don't know. He keeps choking on something. I have no idea what's the matter with him. Yes, on the 60-minute time frame, and the 30s are getting oversold too as well. I wouldn't be short this now. I mean, I took that one little short there into the 10 bar at 65, 69, 45, and then they dropped. Yes, correct. Uh, unless some crazy news comes out, look at this NASDAQ up 40 off that bar. And be careful. I would not short them here now. Can I look the fourth on gold? I don't understand what that means. Which screaming and they might? I have no idea what that means. Anybody trade off the 1 minute time frame? Anybody? Oh, good job, Tris Trading. Anybody trade off the 1 minute? Okay, Lone Wolf. Right, P long. Jeff, you trade off the 1 minute, really? Mm. Okay. Better be really fast. I agree. 3 and 5. 5 and 15. I think the 1 minute. I do it at night though because it's not that crazy. It is NASDAQ. Christopher, did you buy him down there below 20? I it myself. Thank you, Bryce. Look at these 60s. Oh wow, good job. The thing is, if you want to trade a 1 minute time frame with me here, there's also how long is the delay here? 3 to 5, 8, 10 seconds? Let me take his collar off before he gives me a freaking heart attack here.
I realize you guys have the same. AAL. Wow.
Hey. What's the delay here? 6 or 7 seconds? All right, so 65 down to 49. We could trade off the 1 minute then. I thought it was a little longer than that. I thought it was a little longer. Anybody get the two gold trades here? The long and then the short? Anybody get the gold trades? You got the short off the 1 minute, Jennifer? Oh, you got the short on the gold? Okay, good. Well, there it goes. Damn it. Just ran 50. Damn it. Wow. Right back up. Could go to 95 here. Unbelievable. We got the Nasdaq just ran about 65, and the S&Ps are doing nothing, zero. I didn't call it short. I called it short earlier, like around the 9 o'clock. All right. What?
So the 5 oversold.
If it pulls in on oversold condition into the positive MACD. If the Nasdaq gets up to 77 to 07, you could take a scalp short only off the 5. If you want to take the scalp short. All right. Oh, a night. What a night. Just dropped 10 on the Nasdaq. All right, I cancel that. Oh, wow. What a drop. Damn it. This dropped 20. Yep. Shit. Up. Da dee 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 dee. And it's quiet. Down to 50. Very, very quiet. This is the quietest night of the week, though. I'm very surprised. Oh, day trader, good job. You caught that? Okay. Why don't you have candle close timer on SK? What? I don't look at candles. S&Ps are not doing anything. Even gold, like they just want to call it quits. Oh boy. Come on, drop one more time. Oh, brother, 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 brother. It's so slow. 30 more minutes. Gonna go right back up. It could get up to 90. Oh my God, look at them go. Look at this. See how, look at the 60. See how it turned? This is, yeah. Okay? Gotta be very careful. I'm saying, I think they could push up to 90 or even 900. I'm working on a cafe. Only on a pullback on oversold condition into the positive MACD.
Because the 50,
Yeah.
which
I mean, unless they get up to 88, 90, I may just say, the thing is, you do have the negative MACDs on the 30 and the 60. I mean, the 30s and the 15s. So, what is the matter with you? Got hairball?
I don't know.
I wonder when I lift.
He's looking at
I wonder when I lifted them up, my stomach. Hope I hope so. Exactly. Exactly with the S&Ps. I got water right next to them. Gold still a buy. Not yet. No. What a short up there though. What happened?
the 10 qubits.
Yeah, I said 88 if it gets up there. Looking for a scalp short, then for a pullback on the 5.
Yeah.
That's what I'm looking to do. But if it gets up there, but look how freaking slow it is.
Yeah, give me 2 more.
Number. Oh, what did it just get up to? Hold on 1 second. 87. You got to be kidding me. Number 45. Oh, look at that.
ROG have tandem. ROG have tandem. Or rag have tandem. Rag have tandem. Whatever.
Look at that. Missed the short here. 87 by a quarter of a tick. Oh my God.
Here, next.
Number 194.
Curiosity 622. Curiosity 622.
Wow.
All right, they're there.
He's here?
Yep.
Okay, congratulations. Aaron, what is the Kona low storms that they wreaked havoc on Hawaii? When was that? Is that what you had?
Yep.
When did that happen?
That was 3 months ago.
That's when
in April.
That's what happened with your roof and everything you told me about?
No, like I was telling you, I had to dig trenches around my house because all the freaking water was getting up close to my foundation.
Mm-hmm.
So it was pretty bad.
No, because whenever there's a gentleman who lives in Hawaii, and he said, he just texted me. I asked him how he was doing, and he said that the floods wrecked his house. You can ask Aaron about the Kona Kona low storms that they wreaked havoc on Hawaii.
Yep. It's pretty bad.
All right. If she sold 88, I don't know. We'll figure this out here. I don't know. Oh, I think Nasdaq's going higher. This bull flag here, and you got the 30-minute too here. 30s want to turn up. The problem is this negative MACD, and you got negative MACD here. So if you do get any type of overbought condition on the 30s, and they can go here, okay, I'd be looking to short them, especially on an overbought condition into a negative MACD there. Unbelievable. What a long down there. 05, 08. Yep. I said if you look at this 900, boom. There you go. Is gold a buy here? Look at this, Christopher Pac-Man. There you go. Kaboom, baby goat. And now the next pullback on the 5-minute time frame, I would look to buy him. Gold just got kabooshed. To look to cover this scalp short between the I would go cover anywhere between the 78 and 93 range. If they can get a little drop here. 80-point gain. Next! 60-point gain. There you go. Not bad. Not bad. Here we go. See? I'd be covering, okay, 78 to 93 range. Or if you just want to cover 88, be my guest. Wow, what a short on that gold. What a long on the gold. 23 up to 38. 38 all the way down to 21. My lord. Let's see if this Nasdaq can get one more push down here. Here we go. You could just cover 88s if you or if you want to cover between the 75 and 78 and 93 range if you're short. Here we go. Dropping. Okay. Yep. Second World Trade Center being built? No, I live in Florida. I don't know what's going on in New York. Base hit built. Well, I hope you're listening to me. You should be listening to me during the day. And anybody who would like a 5-day free trial to my live stream every day, Monday through Friday from 8:30 to 4, it's free. Free. Okay. You can take a look, listen, right? Text me your full name and email to 914-500-7484. Also, if you like, I also do my podcast, The Bull, the Bear, and the Ugly, on my SK Trading YouTube. Thank you, day trader. Yeah, they just dropped hard here. That's why I didn't want to buy the gold. And plus, it's getting late with 15 minutes to go here. And gold takes out the 17 handle. The 30s are going to reverse to sell. Then gold's in. You got to look to short gold on every bounce. Again, that's I mean, they just got down to 81 and a half. I would hope you would have covered your shorts there. Boy, oh boy, it's quiet. Well, if you want to take the long, I think you can get down to I think you can take the long. Where's the 3-minute? See the 3-minute where I can get to. I think you can look to go long here between the 43 and 73 range here. I'm glad you got to learn how to use the 60-minute time frame tonight. Hey, Farmer K. I put it short in a while ago. Oh, there you go. But I called the short above 35 and a half. I do. It goes, Nasdaq's up 100 points off that 60. Christopher Pac-Man, see that? 100 points. I think so. Right?
Okay, last two.
Okay. Number 29.
Stoic Capital.
Stoic Capital.
Stoic Capital. I like that name.
Oh my God, look at them go. Gold gets down to the 11.5, 19.5 range. You could maybe take one more take long there. Look at that, 100.
Hey.
Whoa, what happened? Bitcoin just exploded. Whoa. We won the war. Whoa,
All right,
Nelly.
next.
Is he here?
Yes.
Okay. Number 165.
Ice Strong. 25. Ice Strong 25.
What a move. What a move. You guys learn how to use the 60-minute time frame there? Do you see how I read that? Okay, a couple of scalp shorts here or there. He's here. Low capital, he's here.
I already got him. I said Ice Strong
Oh,
25.
Ice Strong. I couldn't hear you. Sorry. Ice Strong. Oh, Ice Strong.
I need some ice for my coffee.
Ice, baby.
Dun 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 dun.
That was a monster day. Not bad. 100 points plus off the 60-minute time frame.
Next.
Okay. All right. Number 183.
Susu Bear 13.
Hey, Susu Bear. He always complains he never wins. Of course they could go more. Freaking S&P's finally woke up after. Oh. Susu Bear, I'm here.
Yep.
Congratulations. All right. Great job, everybody. I take it scalp short here. The 15s are getting overbought into the negative MACDs. You could take a scalp short 20 up to like 50 if you want. But I thought that was a damn good move tonight. Patience, right? Christopher Pac-Man, Andrew, Baby Goat. All right, if you sold 20s, you want to just scalp it here. Look to cover between the 05 and 13. Schultz, you see that long? Oh, look at him drop, Jennifer. See that? Schultz, you see that? Ryan, Ryan, you can see that long off the 60s? Look at him drop. Look at him drop. Short?
No.
Why? making new highs into the negative MACD on the 15. Okay, Bitcoin?
Yeah.
On that?
No.
I didn't know that. Anybody get the short at 20? All right, gold just ran 6. Sorry. I just cancel the buy rate. I would just cancel it. Anybody get that short there? The 60-minute time frame, right? Thank you. And again, Goose Bear, congratulations. And again, if anybody would like a 5-day free trial to our look at the NASDAQ drop. And and anybody would like a 5-day free trial to my live stream on my Discord channel, please text me your full name and email to 914-500-7484. What a drop on the NASDAQ. Jeff, have a great night. God bless you. Good. Oh, there goes the gold. You get that short? No? You're short?
Yeah.
Good. Dropped 100. How are you trading? Futures?
Mhm.
Okay. All right, that's not bad. The gold I should have taken that long at 19.5 against the 60 turning up here. Nice little scalp short at the end of the night here. Smoke trades, thank you. Have a good night. The main numbers for the NASDAQ? I don't know. I think if the NASDAQ pushes up to new highs, the MACDs on the 30 and the 15 are going to give it trouble. That's why I called the short there. See that short? Just dropped 25.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Hope everybody had a great night. Okay. Thank you, Aaron. Thank you to Matt. Thank you to Aaron. Thank you to Luke. Okay. Anybody from this great state of Florida? Anybody? Anybody? Anybody from Florida? No? All right. I want to thank everybody. It's 10 o'clock. It was a great week. I thought that was pretty, even for a slow day, I thought it was pretty great. I want to thank every one of you. Have a great day tomorrow. I'll see you here on Monday night. Again, thank you to all. God bless you. God bless our troops. And most of all, God bless the United States of America. Good night, everybody. Be safe.
Charts scribbled like hieroglyphs, secret